Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna discuss about how to visualize a correlation matrix using a correlogram package in our software. In fact, we'll also use a meta package to get the data, and our data name is data underscore g. So load this package and let's see. This is our data, and I want to correlate starting from column 3 out to column 17, which is agronomical trade. And so, as all of you know, that correlations only works for numerical values, so we will exclude the first two columns and we will work from column 3 out to column 17. So I assigned new name, and instead of data underscore g, this equals to this one, and column 3 up to 17 only to include a numerical value. So do that. Then, as all of you know, that there are three types of correlation methods. The first one is Pearson, when there is the assumption is normality is fulfilled, and the other is the Kendall as well as the Spearman correlation. So this is used for non-normal data. So you have to use the function, give any name that you want here. I give here is m, and the function that helps us to correlate or to create a correlation matrix is a core. Then our data name here is d, which is changed from data underscore g because d is only contain a numerical value of data underscore g. Then the method is a Spearman. So if you want to convert into Pearson, so instead of Spearman, you can convert into you can say here Pearson or Kendall. So our aim is to perform the Spearman correlation. Then submit this one. So if you want to visualize the correlated matrix, so it will give you this result. Yeah, this is the result. But sometimes it's not a good way of representing of correlation, because the graphical system or graphical way is more good or more represent an attractive way. So this is a correlation matrix. So let's clear this one. Then our aim is we want to visualize in a correlation matrix. So again, there are 7 different methods of visualization of your correlation matrix, either in the circle, either in the square, or ellipse, or number, or shade, or color, or pie. Let's use here a circle. So you have to use the function corplot. This is very important. So you have to load this package if you haven't, and if you have already, you just incorporate it into our studio by calling the library function. Then you have to use here the corplot, and our aim is what to create is a correlation matrix. Then the method is the circle. So you have to use, you can alternatively use square, ellipse, number, shade, color, or pie. So let's see the circle one. So this one, so you can get this type of appearance. Yes, it is represented by in a circle way. Or if you are interested in pi, again, you can do in this way. Yeah, it's already changed. Yes, it's pi. And again, if you want to display it only in the color, or if you want to visualize only in the color, you can do this one. Or if you want to visualize the full correlation matrix in number, you can do this one. Yeah, so it's changed from color into number. Or if you are interested into ellipse, then this one, change this one, it will show you in this manner. Or in case shade, if you want, for example, shade this one, again, yeah, it's also possible to change this one. Yes. Again, one more, square. If you are interested in square, then copy this one and this one. Yes. So by this way, you can visualize using the correlate function. And as you know, as you can see, this is the full correlation matrix. Then again, there are three different correlogram layout. This is the full one, which is the default. But if you want to change this one into the upper, So you have to use correlate function, then M is our correlation matrix, what to created here, and the type of layout or a correlogram layout is upper, so you'll get this triangle, yes. And again, the reverse is lower, you can get this one. I prefer this one, it's very easy to interpret, or the upper one. Furthermore, for example, if you want to reordering on the basis of the magnitude of correlation value, you have to use instead of the layout, order is equals to h class, which helps us to reordering. So type this and send it to our studio. Then this will help us to reorder. Because, for example, if you compare this one and this, it is around 1, it's positive, it is around maybe 0.6 or 0.5. Again, here is 0.5, 0.6 or 1. Again, here is 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, and again is 1. So by this way, you can rearrange by adding the order function, then provide H class. H class helps us to reorder the collection matrix. And again, if you want to use a different color spectrum, for example, if you want to use 3 or 5 or 10 or 11 color spectrum, you have to use the color RAM palette function. For example, I want to use red, white, and blue, and the number of colors that I want to display is 3. So I can create this one, then immediately come and run this one. So we will get only what 3 colors. Which one? Here is the blue, here is the white, here is the red one. But if I convert this one into 10, let's say 10, so I will get 10 colors, 10 different colors. Yeah, here is red, here is light red, again very light red somehow, here is light blue, and here is deep blue. So by this way you can arrange. So but I think 3 is a good indicator, yeah. So let's do this one. So we have to change. Here is the color is equal to color. So color is equal to color means color means 3 different colors that contain the red, white, and blue. Yes. Select this one. So we still color. So the value that ranges between 0.33 up to +1 is blue, and the value that ranges between 0.33 up to -0.33 is white, and the remaining is values red is designated by the -0.33 up to -1 is designated by the red one. So we can easily visualize, for example, the red one is negative, and the blue are more positive, even greater than 0.03, and the remaining white is less than 0.33. So by this way, we can again create a different color spectrum. And again, if you want to change the background of the color, you can make this code. You have to use this. Code. Yeah, so you can change the background of the color. Yeah, so in order to change the background, you have to use, all things are the same, but came here, for example, let's use red instead. So by this way, the background, you can change your background in this way. So by this way, you can change the background of color in this way. For example, let's change it to light blue, or maybe if you are interested to change from light blue into green, yes, you can do this one. Yeah, you can change the background of color in this way. Even you can change also this the color. For example, black is for range between -1 up to 0, and white is represent between 0 and 1, +1. So in this way, even you can change this one too. Then further, if you want to change the color of correlogram, you can use all this method. So in order to do that, let's clear this one. you have to use this package r color blur. So then followed by the corporate function. M is our correlation matrix, what we did before, and the type is upper, the order is H class, and the color blur is, for example, if I specified here is 2, this means it will only display red and what? Blue, which is RD stands for the red and BU stands for blue. So it's only display this one. And furthermore, for example, if I increase this number, let's say around 10, yes, around 10, so it will increase the number of colors, different composition of colors. And again, if you are interested, for example, let's say here is 3, let's say 3, the minimum should be 3 because correlation ranges between what? -1, 0, and 1. So at least there should be 3 colors, at least. But you can also use 2. Then RD stands for red, YL stands for yellow, and BU stands for what? For blue. So I am waiting what? 3 different colors only because I specify here 3. But if I specify 5, so there is 5 different colors with a combination of red, yellow, and blue. So submit this one. Yeah. As you can see, it's only 3 different colors. So the blue is what? 1 up to positive 0.33, and the yellow is what? 0.33 up to negative 0.33, and the remaining red color is actually it's not red, this is orange, which stands between negative 0.33 and negative 1. So by this way, again, you can change the color of correlogram. But if I say is N5, yes, let's increase the number of colors because there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this case, red is between negative 0.6 and negative 1, and orange is negative 0.2 and negative 0.6, and the yellow is negative 0.2, positive 0.2 up to negative 0.2, and in the same way it continues up to positive 1. And again, even you can change here is purple and orange. Yes, let's say it is 2, purple and orange. Yeah, this way you can change the color of the correlogram. So lastly, for example, if you want to change the color of the agronomic trait, all these are what? PERC, NKE, EP, pH are what? Their agronomic trait. Their color is red. If I want to change their arrangement or their text rotation or text angle, you have to use this function. All things are the same, call plot. M is what? Our correlation matrix. Type is upper, order is H class, and TL dot call means the text of the color is black, mostly recommended for especially for publication, and TLSRT means it is the text angle. So I want to change from 0 to 45 degree. So type this. Yeah, you can get this way. Now the traits are changed from red into black, and the angle even it is converted from what it is. Then lastly, if you want to add a significant level to the correlogram, just without anything, you have to use this function. It is complex, I know, but use this function or you have to use this code. I will put in the description box. Yes. Then submit to RStudio. Then Um, if you remember, our data name is D, then you have to use this core.m test that helps us to add significance value in again also the value of the magnitude of the correlation also display in our core plot. So you have to use this method, and pmat, it will display what the p-value of each combination of each correlation p-value in our correlogram. So these are all what is the p-value. That p-value. So I'll put the code. Then our aim is what to display significant level. So if it's not significant, we can use two options. For example, either to use the X mark or to leave a blank. So if you want to indicate the non-significant one with X mark, so you have to use this function. Core plot, then M, then upper, order is H class, the matrix is pmat, what we did here, and significance level is 0.5. So it will X what those values which are not statistically significant. So the one that marked with X is what? They are not statistically significant. Or if you are not interested in this, you can leave a blank. So you have to use this one. All things are the same, even significant is the same, but you have to use insignificance equals to what? Blank. So it will leave the non-significant one. Yeah, you can see here. Those are blank are what? Not statistically significant. Then finally, let's conclude our final core plot in this way. So here is the M is our correlation matrix. The method of this color. The color is what we did. What to create this one, and you can create different color on the basis of your preference. Then order is H class. The type is upper. Add coefficient. Yes, it is the color is black. That means the coefficient of the correlation. Again, the text of the color is black. The text of the agronomic trait is 45 degree, and combine with significance level and make blank that are not significant. Then submit to our studio. Yes, this is the final correlogram for the data that we have. This is all about Spearman correlation visualization using a correlogram package in our software. As usual, if you have any question or any concern regarding to my tutorial, you can provide in the YouTube comment box, or alternatively, you can use my email address, walter@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Have a nice